Welcome to Catenation. In part 1 and 2, we discussed preparation and properties of alkanes and alkenes. Now we will discuss preparation and properties of alkynes. How alkynes differ from alkanes and alkenes. Alkanes come under saturated hydrocarbons, but alkenes and alkynes come under unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkene must be contain one carbon-carbon double bond between two carbon atoms, but alkynes must be contain one carbon-carbon triple bond between two carbon atoms. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkene is CnH2n. General formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. First member of alkyne is ethane or acetylene. It contains two carbon atoms. Number of carbon 2. Molecular formula C2H2. Structural formula CH triple bond CH. Common name is acetylene. IUPAC name ethane. Second member of alkyne is carbon number 3. Molecular formula C3H4. Structural formula CH3 C triple bond CH. This part is methyl acetylene. So common name we can write methyl acetylene. 3 carbon root word prop. It contains one triple bond. So name of the compound propyne. Next carbon number 4. Molecular formula C4H6. Structural formula CH3 CH C triple bond CH. This part is called as ethyl part with acetylene. Name of the compound ethyl acetylene. IUPAC name 4 carbon is there. Triple bond located in first position. So name of the compound 1-butane. We can write position isomerism also. Now we can write CH3 C triple bond C CH3. This acetylene part bonded with 2 methyl group. So common name dimethyl acetylene. IUPAC name 2-butane. Next member of alkyne is carbon number 5. Molecular formula C5H8. Structural formula CH3 CH2 CH2 C triple bond CH. 3 carbon. This propyl part associated with acetylene. So common name we can write propyl acetylene. What about IUPAC name? It contains 5 carbon, root word pent, triple bond located in first position. So name of the compound 1-pentane. For carbon number 5, we can write isomeric compound also. Now we can write 2-pentane. CH3 C triple bond C CH2 CH3. Here this acetylene part bonded with ethyl and methyl. So what common name we can say? Ethyl methyl acetylene. Ethyl methyl acetylene. What about IUPAC name? 5 carbon is there. triple bond located in second position. So name we can call 2-pentyne. Here carbon number 6, multiple bond located in first position. So name of the compound 1-hexane. IUPAC name 1-hexane. This acetyl part associated with butyl. In common name we can write butyl acetylene. Same compound. Now triple bond located in third position. So name of the compound 3-hexane. IUPAC name 3-hexane. This acetylene part bonded with 2-ethyl group. So we can write diethyl acetylene. Diethyl acetylene. Next is isomerism of alkynes. We all know isomerism is compound containing same molecular formula, different structural formula. In alkyne, structural isomerism is possible, both position as well as chain isomerism. Example, isomerism of pentane. Molecular formula C4H8. First we will write chain isomerism. CH3, CH2, CH2, C triple bond CH. Multiple bond located in first position. So name of the compound 1-pentyne. CH3, CH2, C triple bond C single bond CH3. Now multiple bond located in second position. So name of the compound 2-pentyne. These two isomerism called as position isomerism. Why this isomerism is called as position isomerism? Because compound having same molecular formula but multiple bond located in different position, that is why it is called as position isomerism. Even chain isomerism also possible. Now in the parent chain contain 4 carbon atoms. So butane, third position, methyl group bonded in third position. So name of the compound 3-methylbutane. This isomerism is called as chain isomerism. Next is structure of acetylene. Molecular formula of acetylene C2H2. It contains carbon-carbon triple bond. Each carbon bonded with 1 hydrogen atom. So acetylene contains between 2 carbon atom 1 sigma bond, 2 pi bond. This formation of sigma bond due to headwise overlap. Formation of pi bond due to sidewise or lateral overlap. Sigma bond, formation of sigma bond due to head-to-head overlap. In the z-axis of p orbital, this bond is called as sigma bond. Pz orbital. Overlapping between px orbital leads to formation of pi bond. Px orbital. This is py orbital. Between py overlap called as lateral or sidewise overlap. Even px orbital also lateral or sidewise overlap. It leads to formation of pi bond. So pz orbital involved in the headwise overlap, it leads to formation of sigma bond, but px and py involved in lateral or sidewise overlap, it leads to formation of pi bond. Next is bond length. Bond length inversely proportional to bond order. When increase the bond order, bond length will be decreases. So bond length between two carbon atom in acetylene 120 picometer. But in ethene, it contains carbon-carbon double bond. Bond length between two carbon atom in ethene is 133 picometer. In ethane, it contains carbon-carbon single bond. Bond length between two carbon atom in ethane 154 picometer. So when increase the bond order, bond length will be decreases. Next is preparation of alkynes from calcium carbide. What is the molecular formula of calcium carbide? CaC2. When calcium carbide treated with water, we will get calcium hydroxide and acetylene. Calcium combined with water to form calcium hydroxide. Molecular formula CaOH twice. So 2 oxygen required. We will take 2 molecule of water. Total number of hydrogen in water molecule now 4. We utilized only 2 hydrogen atoms. Remaining 2 hydrogen atoms combined with carbon, 2 carbon to form acetylene C2H2. Molecular formula, structural formula CH triple bond CH, acetylene or ethane. Next method, preparation of alkyne from vicinal dihalide. What is a vicinal dihalide? 2 halogen atoms bonded in adjacent carbon atoms. Example 1,2 dibromopropane. Structural formula CH3 CHCl single bond CH2Cl. This 1,2 dichloropropane treated with alcoholic KOH occur in elimination. Potassium combined with the chlorine to form KCl, OH combined with hydrogen to form water. So we will get CH3 CH double bond CHCl. Name of the compound 1-chloropropene. This 1-chloropropene treated with soda amide NaNH2. Chlorine combined with sodium to form sodium chloride. NH2 combined with hydrogen to form ammonia. 2 byproducts. 1-chloropropene will become propyne. CH3 CH double bond CHCl treated with soda amide NaNH2. Sodium combined with chlorine to form NaCl. Hydrogen from adjacent carbon combined with NH2 to form NH3 ammonia. The main product will be CH3 C triple bond CH propyne. Next is physical properties of alkynes. Physical properties of alkynes almost similar to the alkenes. First one is physical state. Carbon number 2 to 3, gaseous state. Carbon number C4 to C11, liquid. C12 onwards, solid state. This change in physical state indicate when increase the carbon chain, van der Waals force will be increases, change their physical state. That's why carbon number 2 and 3, ethane and propane, gaseous state, C4 to 11, liquid state, C12 onwards, solid state. Conclusion, when increase the carbon chain length, increase the van der Waals force, so change their physical state. Next is solubility. Generally, alkynes are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in non-polar solvents. Insoluble in polar solvent, but they are soluble in non-polar solvents. Next is chemical properties of alkenes. First one, acidic properties of alkynes. Acidic character. Example, ethane, CH triple bond CH, treated with highly electropositive metal like sodium to form corresponding salt, sodium ethanide. We will get monosodium ethanide of H2. This monosodium ethanide again treated with one more sodium, it will become disodium ethanide. This reaction proves acidic nature of ethane. But alkene and alkane do not react with electropositive metal like sodium because they are non-acidic. Example, ethane, CH3, single bond CH3, ethene, CH2, double bond CH2 plus Na. No reaction. But ethane and ethene do not have acidic character. There is no reaction between sodium and ethane and ethene. But ethane alone acidic in nature because it has sp hybridized carbon atoms. In ethane, sp3 hybridized carbon atom. In ethene, sp2 hybridized carbon atom. When increase the S character, acidic character also increases. So acidic strength we can write like this. Ethane C2H2 greater than ethene C2H4 greater than ethane C2H6. Next chemical property is addition reaction. Addition reaction occur only in unsaturated hydrocarbons. Different types of addition reaction going to discuss now. First one is hydrogenation. When alkyne treated with hydrogen in presence of any one of the hydrogenation catalyst like nickel, platinum or palladium, ethane will be converted into ethene. Again treated with hydrogen, ethene should be converted into ethane. This reaction is called as reduction reaction, addition of hydrogen. Next one is halogenation. Example, propane. Molecular structural formula of propane, CH3, C triple bond CH, treated with chlorine, we will get 1,2 dichloroethene. Cl triple bond will become double bond, CHCl. Again treated with one more fluorine molecule, we will get CH3, CCl, Cl, double bond will become single bond, Cl, Cl. Name of the compound 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloropropane. 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloropropane. Next chemical property is hydrohalogenation. Addition of HBr, hydrogen iodide or hydrogen fluoride. In this reaction, we will get gem dihalides. Hydrohalogenation. Example, propane. Structural formula CH3, C triple bond CH. Treated with hydrogen bromide. According to Markovnikov rule, this negative addendum bonded with carbon contain less number of hydrogen atom. So we will get 2-bromopropene, CBr, triple bond will become double bond, CHBr. CH2, name of the compound 2-bromopropene. This 2-bromopropene treated with one more molecule of HBr. Again bromine bonded in second carbon atom, Br, Br, double bond will become single bond, CH2 will become CH3. Name of the compound 2, 2 dibromopropane, geminal dihalide. The meaning of gem dihalide, two halogen atom bonded in same carbon atoms. Next is addition of water. When alkyne treated with water in presence of mercuric sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid, dilute H2SO4 in presence of heat, occur in addition of water, CH will become CH2, triple bond will become double bond, CHOH. Then isomerization. Hydrogen shifted from oxygen to multiple bonded carbon atom. Now CH2 will become CH3, double bond will become CH, double bond O, ethanol. Similarly, when propane treated with water, CH3, C triple bond CH, with water in presence of mercuric sulfate HgSO4 and dilute sulfuric acid in presence of heat, occur in addition of water, we will get CH3, CH, triple bond will become double bond, CHOH. Again occur in isomerization, the shifting of hydrogen from oxygen to carbon. This process is called as isomerization. So we'll get the product CH3, single bond, CH will become CH2, double bond will become single bond, CH double bond O. Name of the compound propanol. So what is the uses of addition of water molecule in alkyne? We can get carbonyl compounds. aldehyde in presence of mercuric sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid. Next is polymerization. In alkyne, we can do two different types of polymerization. One is linear polymerization, another one is cyclic polymerization. In linear polymerization, n number of acetylene CH triple bond CH heated at high temperature and pressure occur in polymerization. We will get CH double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH. Like this, n number of repeated unit we will get. Name of this compound is polyethylene. Next one is cyclic polymerization. 3 molecule of acetylene CH triple bond CH passed over red hot iron tube occur in cyclization to form benzene. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. This polymerization is called as cyclic polymerization. So in alkyne, we can do two different types of polymerization, linear as well as cyclic polymerization. In the chemical properties of alkyne, we discussed the acidic character of alkyne, addition of hydrogen, addition of halogen, addition of hydrohalogen, addition of water, linear and cyclic polymerization. When propane treated with sodium, H2 and platinum, Cl2, propane involved in the high temperature and pressure passed over red hot iron tube. So what are the different product we'll get? First reaction, prove acidic nature of propane. We will get CH3 C triple bond CNA. Name of the compound sodium propionide. Second one is hydrogenation reaction. Platinum acts as a hydrogenation catalyst. Propane will become propene. If treated with excess of hydrogen, propene will become propane. CH3, CH2, CH3. Second one is addition of halogen. We will get Cl triple bond will become double bond CHCl. Name of the compound 1,2 dichloropropane. If treated with the excess of chlorine, we will get 1,1,2,2 tetrachloropropane.